welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Okay, so first things first, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
Thank you so much for clicking on this here video. I appreciate you. You get a dance, okay? All my old time subscribers, y'all get the shoulder dance. Hey. Okay, so y'all know what it is by the title. Obviously, this is a product review of the LottaBody, the Activate Me Curl, and the Spritz Spray. So I'm super excited. And what I'm excited about is because I'm trying to venture out. Okay, so my venture outs really just, it sticks to the wash and goes. But when I mean venture out, I mean as far as products go. Y'all know I'm a gel person. So just to use an activator for a wash and go, I just don't know how to feel, but I'm excited to try it out. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Now, if you're new here, I split my hair into 4 sections, subsectioning those sections. I'm sorry for all you guys who are my subscribers for a while that I repeat myself, but you know, it's new people. So also, if you're new here, I pray. Okay, we gonna pray, get this together. Now, y'all try to come for me if I don't actually show y'all that I prayed on camera. So I'm letting y'all know that I always pray before we get into it. Okay. Now the consistency is very thick. Y'all see this? Super creamy, which I was happy about, because if I'm using a cream-like type of product, I need something to weigh it down. So if it's thick, that means it's gonna kind of give me some definition. Now, I'm not going to be so concerned about definition. I'm not expecting definition like I would from a gel, simply because my hair just reacts differently to curl activators, to creams, to jellies. So I'm working on trying to get the most moisture as I can. Now, the good thing is, these 2 products I'm going to mention have no silicones.
Yes!
So I'm not a big, like, anti-cone person because of how it does make your hair look and feel. But if we're being honest, you know, silicones really aren't the greatest because they act as a sealant, you know, and it doesn't allow moisture to penetrate into the hair shaft. So we do have to be careful when we're using a lot of silicones like myself. You do have to clarify your hair. You do have to make sure that those silicones are getting out of your hair, because it's really not good in the long run. Okay. So good thing is, these products are enriched with coconut and shea oils. It also moisturizes and defines your curls, refreshes curls and coils, tames frizz, and adds shine. No mineral oil, no petroleum. So LottaBody really is known for having pretty good ingredients, and the fact that they don't have silicones gets to dance right here, because I'm slowly trying to see if I can kind of drift away from the cones. Not all cones, because not all silicones are bad, but I just wanted to make mention of that if you guys don't like silicones or whatever. So there you go, no silicones. But because this is not a gel, I have to help this product out, because I just know my hair. When you know your hair, you know what works, what doesn't. A curl activator was not going to give me a gel-like look or finish or result that I'm used to, you know, having with my gels. So I chose to shingle. I will shingle my hair and take my time in smaller sections, and I can get very similar results. I noticed that from using the curls line, and you guys saw my last video, when I really took my time and just really worked the product in, then, you know, I really had decent results. So you guys will see at the end. Don't skip, okay, because you know I be dropping stuff. Y'all know how I do. I be dropping little stuff in there. Okay. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my hair. You guys know the drill. Shingling every section and finishing it off, making sure that I can get as much definition as possible, because I know that LottaBody has me as far as the moisture goes. But I'm a little skeptical of the definition I'm going to receive while I was filming this clip. So yeah, shingling, and we're gonna go ahead and finish it up, speeding it up, and all that good stuff, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I chose to go ahead and just get my roots. I was gonna let it air dry, but I had stuff to do, y'all. So I had was like, let me just go ahead, do some edges. Now I use the Wetline Extreme on my edges because I knew the curl activator was not gonna hold nothing down, okay? But I decided just to kind of do the roots of my hair, not even really stretching it, but just drying it to make sure that my hair was dry. And I tried to leave my curl pattern alone as much as possible by not stretching it. So I just was like, you know what, I'm gonna deal with the shrinkage. And oh, right here, you guys, I am scrunching my hair because this side of my hair has always been looser. So I have to kind of help it along because the gel usually do that. But yeah, so that's all I did was kind of scrunch it and dry it at the same time.
Bruh.
Do y'all see this? Like, I try not to edit out like my reactions, even though they may be silly or whatever, just so y'all could see, like, I really be having low standards when it comes to certain products because I just know it works for my hair, and I'm a gel person. Y'all know this. And curl creams, curl activators, stylish jellies, they don't really like me, okay? So when it works and they like me and we mesh well, it's like my reactions are like... Like, I am so excited about my result. Let's go out. Like, I'm calling the homegirls. Like, let's go get drinks. Like, I'm excited because I'm having this, result on first day. Hair is full. I didn't use a pick. My hair is soft. No, my definition is not 100%, but that's okay. It's moisturized. For the most part, it is defined. It just looks very natural. No crunch, none of that. It's just a curl activator. So I'm excited to see how this is going to work underneath the gel, especially my Eco Styler and my Wetline Extreme. I have a feeling I'm going to get amazing results, okay? I mean, amazing moisturizing results. The fact that this, product has no silicones, no mineral oil, no petroleum and all that, it's just a win. It's a win. I'm gonna be honest, like, it's a win. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but yes, the Shine Mist is everything. I've used it before, but I never used it together. So again, these are my legit reactions. I don't know if the camera is picking up as well as it could, but it was very shiny. It was not as shiny without the curl mist, I'll be honest. But y'all, like, together was great. Both alone are great. I mean, it didn't deserve studs. Like, it deserved some hoops. It deserved hoops. Y'all don't understand. Like, it just feels great to get results that you just did not expect. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching this video. I am pleasantly surprised and happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. I love y'all so much. Bye.